Hi, it's Mike from Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and on today's video, we're going to take a look at a security vulnerability which is in the Asus Armoury Crate software at the moment. It's actually quite a nasty one and is rated 8.8 out of 10, so potentially it could be somewhat catastrophic if someone managed to get access to your system. So I would strongly suggest, if you are a Asus user and also you've got Asus products, Armoury Crate, etc., then I strongly suggest you follow the advice in this video and update your system as soon as you possibly can, or ideally when you finish watching this video. It's not completely terrible. Now, there does need to be some other things in the background going on in your system in order to an attacker to gain access to your system. But rather than me explain it, let's head over to the website and take a look and see what it's all about, and also show you how to mitigate it. So I found the information over at bleepingcomputer.com, fantastic website, really good, really accurate information. And as you can see, this is of June the 16th, it's currently the 17th, so a day later. This was done yesterday afternoon. So Asus Armoury Crate bug lets attackers get Windows admin privileges. Now this is obviously pretty scary, so let's take a closer look. So there is a security issue, it's been tracked there, there's the CVE number, and it's received a severity score of 8.8 out of 10, which is pretty bad. So it could be used to be exploited by using the bypass authorization and effects of the ASIO3.sys of the Armoury Crate system management software. So that runs at a system level. So that is, again, pretty scary stuff. Basically, it goes through all the information there. So I'll put a link for this in the video description if you want to read this in more depth. Essentially, to mitigate it, just go to Armoury Crate, go to settings, go to the update center, check for updates, and then click on update. So let's do that now. So we've got our Armoury Crate here at the bottom. So we'll just open up Armoury Crate, which does unfortunately take a little while. And it looks like it's going to automatically do it for us, but we'll see what happens. Okay, so that's finished and it's gone to the dashboard. Weirdly, it says no devices connected. So yeah, that's a little bit weird. So let's go to settings and we'll go to the update center and we'll click on update. And here it says an app update is available. Would you like to download and install it now? So this is for the new Armoury Crate version 6270. So we'll click on update now, and it will go ahead and download it in the background. And there we go. Installation was completed. So that was very quick. So we can click on launch Armoury Crate again. And that's better. So now our devices are showing. So our keyboard and mouse, our motherboard, etc. It's all showing there. And if we go back into settings, just to make sure there's no further updates, and it appears that everything is a-okay. So this is the version you want to be on, Armoury Crate version 6270. And looking back at Bleeping Computer, it does appear that the flaw impacts all versions between 5990 and 61880. So we are on version 6.2, so that is higher, so that is absolutely fine. So definitely, if you are a Asus Armoury Crate user, or you've got Asus software running on your system, definitely worth checking in the settings and seeing if there's any updates to hopefully mitigate this security vulnerability. So there we go, that is how to update your system to mitigate the security vulnerability, which is currently found within the Asus Armoury Crate software. Hopefully this video is useful to you. If it is, smash the like button. If you want to see more content of this on a daily basis, maybe consider hitting subscribe and also that chime notification. That way you'll be notified of future video releases. But for now, I've been Mike. This is Mike's Unboxing Reviews and How To, and hopefully we'll catch you in the very next video. Thanks for watching.